Hi besties, welcome back to my channel guys. I got a new AC. Like the old one that the guy was trying to repair was not doing well. It was not coming up. So after I just finished my work around that 10, almost 10:25, I decided to clean the room so I can move from the sitting room to my room because I really miss my room. Although I was tired, but I don't just want to like shift it to the next day, so I have to like do it because today is Friday and Saturday, which will be tomorrow, I'll be having my off day. So I just want to use to this day, Friday and Saturday, to just clean the room and arrange my closet. Like my wardrobe is so disorganized everywhere in the house is so disorganized, so I decided to like do it so I can rest Saturday, which will be my off day. So I'm taking you guys along to clean and arrange my room with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you. This one is very scattered. I'm so tired right now. I can't arrange it. I will have to arrange it tomorrow morning if possible. I'm sure it's honest tomorrow. I just pack everything inside like that. I will have to arrange it, and the time is 12. I'm so tired. I have to have my bath now. To wash the chair tomorrow.
Now
So guys, this will be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning with me. Thank you guys for watching to this moment. I really appreciate you guys. If you are new, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, support your baby girl. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always supporting. You guys are the best. I love you. I will see you guys in my next video.